Is your swimming pool in need of a thorough cleaning? But the thought of draining all the water seems overwhelming? Don't worry, there are simple techniques you can use. You can remove leaves, whether you opt for a manual or automatic pool vacuum cleaner. Pool floor will effectively, and floor of your pool is crucial. By using a pool brush, you can loosen algae and dirt. Keep your pool spotless, testing the water regularly, at least once a week as pH, chlorine, and alkalinity is essential. Utilize algicides to prevent algae growth, and shock treatments to keep the water clear and pristine. Maintaining a clean filter is also vital. The pool filter to ensure it's functioning correctly, as a clean filter effectively removes fine particles. Consider using clarifiers and flocculants to further enhance your pool cleaning routine. Pool clarifiers gather fine particles into larger clumps that can be filtered out, and maintaining regular pool maintenance, your pool will stay clean and safe without the need. Make cleaning your pool a hassle-free and enjoyable task.